Hello everyone, today we're looking at the new cinema in Nottingham, which has just turned over to VUE at the corner house, which was previously Cineworld, and today we're in the Epic screen. So here's the outside. Looks pretty much the same as before. The cinema is upstairs, so up the escalator we go. Onto the top layer. This is the lower level of the VUE here, with the Epic screen in it. And there's an arcade there. And then up to the top level is the other section. It's got another set of escalators. On to the top level. With the other section here.
That's what happens. No, you're not being nice. People do book us. Why?
So that was the screen. My only complaint is the seats, which are not electronic reclining, so you have to push back with your own weight, which isn't so comfortable. But other than that, it's much better than the old Cineworld, which had an IMAX screen here, as that was really loud and the screen wasn't as good quality. It was also really good temperature inside, as the aircon was working nice. The sound was also really good, as it had deep bass and it was quite clear. And overall, I would say VUE has done a very good job to refurbish this cinema from Cineworld. I'd definitely recommend coming here if you're in the area, but other than that, thanks for watching.